We have the butter in the caldero, and I am going to put this. We are sauteing the garlic, and I'll put the next the onion, and then the shrimp and the spam for ZIPPO egg. In goes the shrimp. In goes the teaspoon of salt. In goes the pepper. Very good. In goes the spam. Delicious. In goes the corn. In goes the sweet beans. Just like that for the ZIPPO egg. In goes the carrots. That's it. And we're going to cover it. We have to cover it. Cover it like this. Let it boil for 5 minutes. To creamer, just like that. The eggs like that. And like this. ZIPPO egg. Now let's see, it's boiling. It's cooked. Look. Okay. So after 2 minutes of boiling, there you go. It's cooked already. Turn it off and get some of this. Let's taste it. Okie dokie. Look. The shrimp is cooked. It's orange. Yummy. Delicious. The spam and the carrots and the sweet peas. Let's taste it. Crunchy. Let's suppose. And the corn. It's sweet and creamy because of the mescal cream. Delicious. Cook with love. Jocel's Kitchen. Cook with love. Try this during this new year. It will bring you good luck because everything is circled round. Good luck. Happy New Year to all 2024, and may God bless you